did a talk on the AI agent with ChatGPT. Boom! Best thing I've ever seen in 27 years of real estate. I've been to Mega Camp, Family Reunion, Remax's Convention, Craig Proctor, Brian McFeeney, Joe Stump, Mike Ferry, Howard Brent, the Star Power, NAEA, everything. Best talk I've ever heard. I'm still vibrating, man. Go check out Phil, attend his class, super good. Thanks.
I wanted to let everybody know September the 18th, you are making the journey to Charleston, South Carolina from 2 to 5 p.m.
So excited to be there, but we're gonna go through some actionable, like practical step-by-step instructions on how to change your business, how to sell more homes, how to create more revenue, how to save more time using AI. So excited to kind of walk you guys through it. I promise you, even if you don't like technology, you'll be able to do this. Super simple, step-by-step strategies.
This is stuff you've never heard before. This is stuff you've never seen before. So can't wait to see you guys there.
Can't wait.
Wait.